Damn. Okay. Welcome to Josh and so I'm going to be teaching you something you don't know or something I believe you should know by now. The first question I want to ask is, do you have Ethereum? Have you gotten it? Like, why don't you have Ethereum? These are questions I keep on asking people. Why haven't you bought Ethereum? And you keep on saying, I wish I knew I would have bought Bitcoin then. It's never too late to go into cryptocurrency. So, Ethereum is, should I say, the second best cryptocurrency currently. After Bitcoin, the next is Ethereum. Wherever you go, that's what they say. Even you can check online. Ethereum, the price is the closest to Bitcoin, although Bitcoin is giving Ethereum a very big gap currently. So now let me ask, do you know how much one Ethereum is? If you can look at the screen, you're going to see one Ethereum in my currency is 183,625 naira, and while in the US dollars is $388. So this video is going to be showing you why it's not too late, or should I say, why you should invest now, because it is not too late. So let's go to the all-time record. As of 2017, one Ethereum was 106,959 naira. So imagine if you had that money then, although it wasn't much. Close to 2018, it got up to 426,167 naira. What a skyrocket! Like, can you imagine the mind blowing? Like, who bought it out of 2017 and stayed with it till it got to 444,000, and he sells it at that point? Do you know the amount he's going to gain? So let's fast forward to 2018, since those are the most important stuffs. 2018, it was 95 naira. It fell. Definitely, if you're going into investment, you should know that there's what they call high volatility, low volatility. It's going to fluctuate. It's just like, how should I say, it's just like putting your money, or it's more or less like forex. It falls, the market might fall. Like those, if you watch all those Wall Street movies, you're going to understand better, but I don't want to bore you with that. As of 2018, it was 95,979 naira. Then let's move to 2019. It went to 61,000. So I believe at that point people were seeing Ethereum as, should I say, a waste or a trash. Like, it was one of, as of then, it was one of the biggest flops talking about crypto. Then close to 2020, 2098 naira, and as of 2020, currently, one Ethereum is 183 naira. 183,625 naira. Sorry, thank you. So now, when I got into crypto, and one thing that actually like caught me was Ethereum. Ethereum was actually cheap as of when I wanted to buy at first. But I had double mind. I was scared that it might fall. When you look at the stats, it might fall. But when you're investing, one thing I tell people, be ready for whatever comes out of it. You might lose, you might gain. And you losing doesn't mean you can't still gain at the end. It just depends on how patient you are. So if you're going to be buying crypto, I tell you, be patient enough. Like, imagine if I got my Ethereum as of 2019, which was 69,000, and I'm with it till 2020, which is 183,000. Imagine how good, like, the gain, the maximum gain. As of this point, or should I say, as of today, me making this video, Ethereum price has actually fallen. Let me show you a week analysis. So as of August 19, one Ethereum was 193 naira. A week is even too small. A month. As of August 16, one Ethereum was 202,000. It went up to 207,000. So Ethereum has actually fallen as of today. So if you can watch this video now, or even before this week runs out, or whenever you watch this video, the first thing I tell you is buy Ethereum. But kindly subscribe so I keep you updated and I tell you what and what you shouldn't do about investments. Thank you and stay tuned.